Okay, we have to cover SoundHound AI today, guys, as the stock is falling yet again, down about 8% as the stock market just opened less than 15 minutes ago. And guys, you know SoundHound AI is not just falling today, it fell yesterday, I think the day before that as well. So we have to do an update on the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Come on, guys. We're almost at 50,000 subs. And get your stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And now let's get into it. So like I said, the stock market just opened about 15 minutes ago, and we have SoundHound down now over 8% on the day, and now we're trading in the mid-16s per share as we have all the indexes here in the U.S. stock market in the red. The Dow's down 0.3%, Russell's down 1.3%, so the small caps are getting hit. SPY's down 0.1%. We have QQQ pretty much at break even, down a little bit, but still down on the day. So, yeah, guys, not a pretty start. Not a pretty start to the day. And SoundHound, well, is taking out the lows from yesterday. Yesterday, we hit about 1750 on the low of the day. And yesterday morning, we hit $20.50. So we're now down from $20 yesterday down to about 16. So we're down a good $4 per share, or about 20% from yesterday's opening price. So essentially, yes, we're in a bear market, guys. And now we are down even more from the recent high, which is the all-time high, right? We hit $25, 35% down from that point. Now we're down almost 10% on the day, guys. This thing keeps on slipping as the markets, like I said, just open, and we're progressing here in the first 30 minutes to an hour of trading, which typically are the most wild, it's the most wild time of the day, right? Power hour and the first hour of trading. So, yeah, SoundHound is slipping. Now down 9% on the day. And here on the 1 hour chart, you guys can see we still have a death cross. We're under both moving averages. We do have a head and shoulders as well. You guys see right here, clear cut head and shoulders that's playing out on SoundHound. Let me draw it out. So for those that maybe can't tell, I'll draw it out to show you guys. You see it right there, right? Head and shoulders, pretty clear as day here on the 1 hour chart. Excuse me, guys. And this is what I want to focus on. This is the 4 hour time frame on SoundHound, which, guys, did we not cover this possibility in my last SoundHound video? I told you guys, look, if we were to slip under 20, under $19, $18, 180, the 180 simple moving average here on the 4 hour chart could easily act as support, right? I told you guys this, and that's where we're approaching. We're approaching that level literally right now. The 180 SMA on the 4 hour chart here is at about $14.50. And guess what? We're at $16 now. We're pretty much right there. 14, 15, 16. We're right by this moving average. So this is the moment of truth for the bulls. No doubt we've sold off a lot. We're down 35%. We're well in a bear market now, and the uptrend's still holding. We're still above this moving average. So what are the bulls made of? This is where we'll find out if SoundHound, this rally, is legit or if it's a fluke. This rally that we've seen over the last month or two, whatever, right? It's gonna prove itself again, whether it's a fluke or legit here on the charts pretty soon. Because if we get a bounce at 15, 16, right by this moving average, we can get a ridiculous recovery, man. And if this thing heats up again, we could be back to $20 like that. But we'll see. If it's a fluke, it slips through $14, and we go back to $10, maybe single digits again from that point, momentum could get squashed very quickly if we break this technical level on the charts. And not only is $15 the roughly where the moving average is here, but it's also the resistance from the beginning of December. You guys see it right here. It was resistance from the beginning of December, so ideally that gives it an even bigger reason to hold as support, right? So what I'm getting at here, guys, is let's see what we do at $15. This moving average on the 4-hour is ideal, or it would be ideal for the bulls to hold. And to be honest, guys, I'm not surprised that SoundHound is taking a beating right now. I mean, this thing got way too overbought. And I said in my update videos, my recent update videos, I think the stock, and I still do a little bit, I think it's a bit overvalued. I think it's frothy. And I definitely thought it was frothy when we were at $24, $25, even $20. So I told you guys, I think it's frothy. I'm not looking to buy it as a long-term investment here. I'm considering it as a trade. That's what I was saying. And, weak hands are getting shaken out now. Weak hands are getting shaken out. Profit taking is occurring. And, again, moment of truth, man. We'll see. Are people going to respect this, this dip or this uptrend? Are they going to buy it up? Or is this going to flush right through and get hit even more? Either way, guys, I'm still looking at it as a trade right now. I'm not too interested for a long-term position quite yet at these levels, because even though it's down, a good 35% from highs, the market cap on this company is still about, $6 billion? You guys see it right here, $6 billion. You guys see it over my big old head. You guys see that right there, $6 billion. And they're doing, in terms of top-line revenue, let's see here. If my laptop wants to work today, guys, come on. What's going on here? Oh, my gosh. It doesn't want to work. Actually, no, it's loading. Wait, give it a second, guys. I think it might be time for a new computer here. I'm rocking the 2020 MacBook Pro still. It's got the M1 chip in it, and it's clearly showing because this thing's taking 15 minutes to load. I feel like I'm in 1998 right now. I feel like I have dial-up internet in 2005 when I was freaking growing up. I feel like I'm back in that time period right now. But either way, forget about that. The market cap, the point is, the market cap 6.2, and I'm pretty sure they did $60 million of revenue trailing 12 months. And they're not growing. I mean, they're growing. Obviously, they're growing nicely, but it's not like they're growing hundreds of percent year over year at this point to justify that PE. I don't know. Or not the PE, the market cap. And now it wants to load, of course. But whatever, screw it. We already went through it. But either way, guys, SoundHound, it's definitely a hype momentum name right now, let's be honest. And that's what we have to treat it as. And momentum, what you guys have to realize, momentum stocks, they go up like crazy. And when they swing down, they can do it just as hard, just as fast, even worse, right? Even faster than when it went up. So realize it looks like we're in the downswing phase right now, but I don't think the story's over yet. That's kind of where I'm at. I don't think we're done yet. I think there could be more rallies left to be had here, more green. We just have to be patient, sit on our hands, and wait for the opportunity. That is what trading is all about, guys. Trading is not about running like a chicken with your head cut off in the wild, wild west, taking all the trades you can every single day. That's how you lose your butt. That's how you overtrade. That's how you do just too much, right? It's just too much. What you want to do is really pinpoint your trades. Take only a trade a day. Maybe don't trade for the day. You don't have to trade every day, guys, by the way. And realize and understand what your criteria is, what you look for in your setups, your confirmations, reversals, and really know what it takes for you to take a trade. Don't just take any old trade, right? So we're going to see what happens here with SoundHound. Clearly, The Bears are driving this thing to the dirt right now. It's down 13% now. So be careful. We'll see how it goes. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Hit the like button as always. And don't forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.